My name is Richard June Arce. I'm in Baking and Pastry Arts Management. Today we just have to glaze the cake. It's the chocolate sponge.
We made truffles with ganache. The way you can mold the chocolate, that is really fascinating for me. In bakery, chocolate is the hardest part.
They want the students to have more hands-on experience. I get to learn different techniques, which I find it hard before. And now that I'm getting the hang of it, I'll be able to do whatever I love. And that's baking and pastry.
Humber, I would say, is one of the best colleges in the entire Ontario because here you just not learn your course, you learn many other things. The way of teaching techniques, they are totally different from the one I've learned before. You work as a team of 2 people. Every person has their own knowledge. Some is good at icing, some are really good at garnishing. So we really get to learn it from each other.
And the professors are great. They're excellent teachers. They are just so generous in all the knowledge that they're giving us. Every time we do something, they always try to explain, this is how you do it.
Humber is more like a family. Every faculty is like special for us, so it's really easy for you to get adapted to the environment. I would say to the students that they shouldn't get a second thought after choosing Humber.
This program will hone your skills, develop everything that you've got. I've taken a lot of courses before. There's no such thing as it's too late to pursue whatever my career is. Always find the time to embrace your passion because in the future, you will thank your past self for being in Humber College.